Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you see this here video. Today we have some, oh that's really hot. Oh, that's hot. We have some fried eggs with a little bit of runniness, some biscuits, and some gravy. If you saw my previous video, you saw how I made this, but I just wanted you to see me pour it on. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Hold on. Let me turn it around so you can see. Oh, look at the gravy. Look at the gravy. Mmm. Delicious. You still there? Your mouth watering? Mine too. Oh, baby. Let's get into it. Y'all know breakfast is my favorite food group. Look at it. Get you some. Get you some. Hurry up. Okay, hold on. Everybody relax. This is maple sausage gravy. Oh, with lots of onions. Blow it. It's hot now. Blow. Okay. Focus. Uh-huh. Mmm. Give me a minute, y'all. Oh my God, this is so good. These are not homemade biscuits because, listen, I had to do a cooking video. We used a bag of biscuits today. Excuse my hot water heater, y'all. Some of that egg. Excuse my sister back there cooking. Baby, she said the smell of the gravy wafted into her room and she had to get up to see what was going on. Oh my God, today. You can't make this vegan. Today it's not vegan. But you can do the same recipe that I had in the previous. You can use Impossible sausage and get the same results. This is good, y'all. I'm in heaven right now. This is awesome. Y'all see how quiet TJ being, right? Right, okay, because he's under the table. Being a good boy. Thank y'all for watching my previous video. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And I just want to take a brief moment to talk about silent supporters. Listen, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I was, I need a computer, so I was looking at using my son's computer, and I went into my back office to look at some numbers and stuff, because I hardly ever look at the analytics, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We drinking water today. We drink water all day, every day. Anyway, I went to look and I was looking at my memberships, and I knew I had 4 content creators that were members. And then, but it said I had 5 members. Well, who's the 5th person? Well, I'm not sure if this person wants their name mentioned, so I'm not going to mention it. But to my 5th member, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate you so, so much. We're going to call her Kay. How about that? We'll call her Kay. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and the membership. I appreciate you very, very much. I literally got a little misdad, because y'all know I'm a big crybaby. When I saw it, I was like, oh, okay, thank you. So there is a lot of silent supporters. There are some people who've been rocking with me for the longest time, and I haven't seen you in the comments lately. So let me know how you doing. But I know he's watching. And you know we locked in. I don't know what the we locked in. There we go. Don't worry about it. It's early in the morning. I feel goofy. I woke up this morning feeling like myself again. Thank you, God. Shoulder still on the mend. Still got it taped up. But feeling way better than I did. And let me tell you something. It's grind time, and that's the problem with me. My doctors get on my case about this all the time. But when I feel good, when I feel like I can move, like I want to move, it's grind time. That's all it is. I'm going to get up and I'm going to do the stuff I need to do until I can't. Okay? So, I don't know about y'all, but that's just me. I push myself, and I hate being in the bed, sad, in pain, or whatever have it. Don't ignore my dangling thing. No, I don't want to be like that. Well, I don't want to be like that. How about that? So, I slept really well last night. I was feeling my oats this morning. And I was like, let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. So, this is the second video of the day, and it's only 9:30 a.m. Probably got like 2-3 more videos in me for the day. And gonna. Anyway. My kids like it when I'm like this, but they also hate it because I need to know how to sit down, which I do. I sit down more than anybody I know, I swear. And I used to stand up for a living. That's all that. So, at the end of the day, I gotta keep pushing. We got goals to meet, honey. We trying to get to 2,000. Thank y'all for sharing me out. Thank y'all for sharing me with your friends and family. Share me on your Facebook pages, your TikToks, wherever you want to share me. And tell them come on over here and see your girl. Enjoy the heck out of her sausage gravy. I'm gonna try my best to cut TJ hair today too. If y'all didn't know, he had surgery a couple, like 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. Anyway, all my time is running together. He got minor surgery, y'all. He had some skin tags on the top of his head that he would scratch till they bleed. So I was like, can we take those out, please? So they shaved his head in that area to do the surgery. However, they left like this right here that he is really hairy in here. And then they shaved part of his his legs in the front. And they shaved both of them. I don't know why. I guess they couldn't get the IV in the one arm, so they went to the next. That's my assumption. I don't know, because I ain't no doctor. Excuse me. So yeah, my baby looks crazy right now. He has a reverse mullet situation going on. Pulled up to the scene with his ceiling missing is what I keep saying every time I see him. So my baby need a haircut. So we're gonna try to fit that in today too. My kids gonna kill me. They gonna kill me, y'all. I promise you. But my baby needs a haircut and he needs a bath. Not because he stinks, but because he has little scabs stuck in his fur. If you eat, I'm sorry. Dog mom. Let me tell y'all something. It's so good. Y'all see how I clean that? Okay. That was delicious. So thank you guys, my silent supporters, my vocal supporters, my ride or die. Thank y'all so much for all of y'all support. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you so much for sharing the videos. Make sure that you guys check out my members in the description box. They are all wonderful content creators. Go check them out. They're always going to be listed in the description box. Red, that gravy video was for you, which I already shouted you out in the previous video, but that gravy video is for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely did. Says, woo, I did. That was good, y'all. That was fire. I think this is one of my best gravies I ever made, but it was delicious. As you can see, it's gone. If you're new to my channel, I'm official Jamie. Go and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when your girl is over here posting more videos. I appreciate you so much for joining me. And as I always say, I love you. And ain't nothing you can do about it. You can try to do something about it. I'ma still love you regardless. Like, I love you. And some people don't get to hear that. So I love you. You, hold on. Yep. That one over. I love you too. I do. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.